Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Proace. In this video I'll show you how to find toolset. In the beginning, depending on the trim you've got, I've got the trim with 8 seats. I've got only this bag of tools. Right here I can find emergency triangle, fire extinguisher and some keys. In case of my toolbox, it was laying under the seat. Tell me in comments if you've got other trim. Where can you find the toolset? Is it laying freely around the trunk, or is there any dedicated place for tools? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.